All right, so I'm working a little bit on a level design today. I don't want to spend too much time on this, but as you remember from a few videos ago, if you're not having fun making the game and playing it yourself, then you need to take a step back and just put a little more effort into making it fun, making it exciting. So here's some things I have done. A lot of these are the mesh renders. Just because I want the ship to be able to run into these, right? But I'm just making a really small level where you gotta, avoid some obstacles and eventually land on this pad over here. So now what I also did is I changed the physics a little bit. So we'll zoom in here on the game and I'll show you the gameplay. It's a little bit, I think the gravity changed a little bit. I think, it's a little bit softer. I still want it to be clearly challenging, but I also want it to feel real, like science fiction, right? Like you're actually floating, there's gravity, you're moving in an odd way. You got to watch out for obstacles, but maybe you have a little bit of time, right? I don't want it to be chaotic and feel like you're full of anxiety when you're doing this. But yeah, that's the first little level design. I don't know how much further I'm going to go into the other levels. As you can see here, they're still all the same. But I do like the background. I kind of wish there was some moving things in the background. Maybe there's some floating asteroids or moving objects, like maybe these buildings turn a little bit. That would be really cool. Anyways, yeah, make it fun when you're doing it. Let me know what you guys do when you do level design, even just for tutorials. Do you really dig in and kind of get excited about that? I feel like level design is important and maybe I should spend time in this and not feel like, I just need to go on to the next lecture or just tell me how to code some stuff or give me more Unity knowledge. But I think you're building that muscle of moving things around and creating colliders and kind of getting a feel for what someone may experience when they're looking at your game. So that's what I'm working on. I'll see you tomorrow.